Hi, Matt Toms here with another One Chart lesson. Today we're learning how to play Bad Moon Rising, the old song by Creedence Clearwater Revival. It's a 3-chord song. You've got D, A, and G. And just a couple of things with those chords. With your A, you can play using your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers, or you can use your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. It's personal preference, whatever you feel is most comfortable. Also with your G, you'll notice that I put 2 fingers on the top of my G, on the B and E strings. You don't have to do that. You can actually do the traditional way with just 1 finger on the E string 3rd fret, but I like to do the B string 3rd fret as well. It just gives that G a fuller sound, and it's more comfortable for me. So they're both Gs. Our count here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do all those as down strums, of course. You always do your whole beats, or your quarter notes if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. We call them quarter notes because we can fit 4 of them in a bar of 4/4. You always do your quarter note beats on down strums. That's pretty much a golden rule, and that keeps your up strums to fit in between them. You can do quarter note down strums. You can do 8th note down strums as well, which puts your up strums on the beats in between those 8th notes, which are 16th notes. We don't need 16th notes in this song. It's quite fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start doing that, and we're going to get a very close approximation to the rhythm that they use in the original song. First of all, we're going to go D, D on beats 1 and 2. Then we're going to miss beat 3, but we're still going to run our hand down past the strings on beat 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and that leaves us down there ready for the up strum, which comes on beat 3 and. So 3 and, 4, and 4 and. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that very first bar is the rhythm I'm talking about in the intro. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. When you get to bar 2, we do all quarter note down strums. A, 2, G, 4, back to D. And then we move into the verse. Okay, so that intro one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, miss, up, down, up, A, G, G, D, D, miss, up, down, up, D, D, miss, up, down. Then the verse. I see a bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. Next line. I see earthquakes and lightning. Then he said hurricanes. I see bad times today. Then we move on to the chorus. So we change to G. And you can keep that strumming rhythm going. Don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. So during that chorus, we do that rhythm all the way through. In the verses where the A and the G share a bar, you only have the A for 2 beats and then the G for 2 beats, then that strumming pattern becomes much more simple. It just goes A, G, G, and then back into the other strumming rhythm. After the chorus, or at the end of that chorus, you see a repeat sign there. That's going to send you back to the beginning of that first verse on the 2nd line of your chart. Then we go through that verse again, do another chorus, then we come down into the solo. Now the solo is exactly the same chord pattern, and you can do exactly the same strumming. Follow that through for a total of 16 bars. Then you get to another verse. Another verse, same as the first, same as the second. That's verse 3. Then finally you get down to the chorus at the bottom line there, and we do that twice to finish. All right? That should all make sense. Okay, so we're going to go through that song from start to finish. We're going to begin slowly and build up our tempo to something approximating the actual tempo of the real song when we get to the end. And I hope to see you again on the One Chart website, where we are adding new charts, new songs all the time. And see you there soon. Happy strumming.